How to add or remove credit or a debit card on Shein. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your Shein account. You will land to the shop page. Firstly, you have to select any of the item to make a purchase. After you select the item, click on the option Add to Cart. After you are done with selecting the items, at the top right you will find this cart icon. Click on it. Now click on the option Checkout. Now you have to fill up your shipping address. After you fill this, you can click on the option Save. With that, you will land to the order confirmation page. You will see the section of payment method. From here, check in for this option of credit or debit card. Now click on the option Place Order. And in the next page, at the very top, you're gonna find your credit or debit card. In the case you have already added the card, it's gonna appear over here. And all you have to do is click on that card. You'll get the pop-up of edit or remove. And that way you will be able to edit or remove your credit or debit card. Likewise, in the case you want to add, you can just fill these. You can type in your card number, likewise expiry date and CVV. If you want to save your card details, you can toggle on for this option of remember this card for future use. And after you fill this, you can click on the option of place order. So this was all for this video. This is how you can add a credit or debit card on Shein. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.